Hey, Brendan from WPAlpha. In this video, we're going to talk about WordPress debug mode or debugging. Inside the platform, you can turn on the WordPress debugging. You don't have to go and make edits to the WP config file. This is very useful if you're trying to troubleshoot errors or issues with plugins or PHP versions. How to access this, so I'm just here logged into the backend for this website, and you'll see them on the WordPress tab. You can also access under the WordPress manager here on the right or here on the left, all over the place. But basically, you've got this debugging toggle here. Before turning it on, I'd click this switch here, and you'll see this slide out panel of what the debug options. I'd never use this display on a live site because this will actually display errors to the user. So we want to turn that off, and we want to just have debug log file instead. And I'll just move the window, so you just want to save that. So what that does, that adds the lines into the WP config file, and I'll just show you here. If we look in the file manager, you'll see WP config, and you'll see there's some lines in here. Where does it add them? Somewhere in here. There you go. WP debug false. Oh, okay, so it's not on. Let's go turn it on. So we're going to turn it on. And then just go back there and you'll see, where are we? Not in there, wrong file, sorry. You'll see it turns it on in here. So basically it adds this WP debug true, and then display false because we don't want to display it, and then also debug log true. So that's how we turn it on. Where that file is located, it's on the WP content, and you'll see there's a file. It won't do it because we've got nothing in the log. Let's see if we can just make it happen. If the site is, this is a demo site, so let's see if anything appears. I don't think it will. Yeah, there you go, debug log. So that's the file there. If you have a lot of errors, it can get quite big quite quickly. You can see here, okay, so there's a PHP error. The PHP version is actually too new for this site. So it looks like it needs a theme update. So you need to be mindful. That was just, I think we loaded that twice. So we just need to be mindful that that debug log file is going to get very big very quickly. So I'll turn it off for now. So yeah, so just be mindful when you're using that log file will get very big, and you can delete that file when you're done. It's not a big deal. So it'll just recreate it. So that's it, pretty straightforward. That's how you turn on the WordPress debugging on our WPAlpha platform.